Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to my channel, The Real Deal. I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant. And this is Coffee Chat. And Coffee Chat's a few minutes I spend in the morning before my first client gets here, and we just have a quick little morning discussion about tips and tricks and things I might have and concerns that I read online or I see on other videos that you guys have, and questions and comments. So I try to look at all that and give you some quick little information, just a quick video that you can maybe pick up a few things. All right. So this is Coffee Chat, and but first, before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you keep up on the latest and greatest things, and I keep going. All right. So let's get started. Okay, something I see a lot and questions that I get a lot, especially from people that are DIYers and are buying their own hair, is can I go to my regular barber or stylist and can they cut this in for me? Yeah, they can. In fact, a lot of times you're better off going to your barber or stylist because they're going to treat it more like natural hair or more like normal hair. One of the things they might be afraid of is that, you've paid a lot of money for this, so they might be a little fearful of it. You might want to just give them some freedom and don't pressure them so much to, oh my God, don't screw it up, don't screw it up, don't screw it up. Because if they're confident in what they do, and maybe they watch a few of my videos, they might get some heads up, but they're going to know how to treat it as hair, and they're going to cut it as hair. So yeah, you can go to your own stylist and get this done. You can go to your barber, your hairdresser, and let them cut it, because you're going to need somebody to cut it. Cutting your own hair, it's not easy. So can you go to your own stylist? Can you go to your own barber? You sure can. You don't have to specifically go to a hair replacement studio to get this cut in. If you're able to get it on your head yourself and take it and go to a barber or stylist, you probably would do okay. All right, guys? So I hope that answered your question about whether you can go to your stylist or your barber. All right, let's keep going. All right, here we go. Welcome back. All right, so sometimes people have problems when they're styling their hair, getting the look they want. The hair is not cooperative for whatever reason, whether it's got a cowlick, whether it's been put in the hair system incorrectly, it's got a forward direction and you want it to go backwards, whatever it is, and you're just having problems styling it. If there's a strong injection growth where they've injected the hair into the hair replacement system, you're able to change that. And I'm going to tell you how real quickly. All right. So most blow dryers have what they call a cool shot button on them, which basically, when you push the button, it lets cool air come out of the blow dryer. All right. So what you're going to do is you're basically going to take the blow dryer with warm or hot, and you're going to, let's say, shut this cup down. Let's say you want the front to go up and it just keeps wanting to go down. All right. So you're going to basically take the blow dryer on hot or warm, depending on what you're most comfortable with, and you're going to lift the hair in the direction you want, or place the hair in the direction you want with either your hands or whether with a brush or a comb, and you're going to pull that back and put it in that place. And then on low, when it comes to the air volume coming out of the blow dryer, put it on low, but you want it on warm or hot, and let that air, that hot, warm air, hit that area that you're trying to change that direction. Okay? So again, take the brush, the comb, your fingers, and then take that blow dryer and hit it really good, get it really heated up, and change that direction with the heat. All right? So before you let go of it though, take the cold shot button, hit the cold shot button, hold it down, and cool that area back off and let it get all the way cool. All right? Then the hair will stay in place. Okay? It's kind of like many, many years ago where you would take a woman's hair and you would put it in rollers, put them underneath a hot blow dryer or a hot hood dryer. They would sit underneath the hood dryer back in the old days. And then you would take them out and you let them cool. You would let all those rollers and that hair just cool off. And then you would take the rollers out and the hair would be curled all over. And then you could style the hair because it gave the hair body. But it reset, the heat reset. It's kind of like the idea of a curling iron. A curling iron can do the same idea, but sometimes a curling iron at a base of your hair system and the short hair, you might burn yourself. So now you have a big curling iron burn on your forehead. That doesn't work well. So with a blow dryer, you can pretty much accomplish the same thing. You can even do it with a round brush. You can take a round brush and curl that around the round brush, hit it with the hot heat in the air, and then hit the cold shot button, cool that down, make sure it's totally cool, and then you can remove the comb, remove the brush, remove your hand, and that will change the direction of the hair. All right, so for that difficult, uncooperative hair, quick tip on how to change the direction. Cool shot button and warm air on your blow dryer. All right, guys? All right, let's keep going. Okay, here we are, last part. Okay, static electricity. All right, now, being in Florida, we don't have to really deal with that. Our humidity level is high enough most of the year that we don't really have a lot of static electricity. But if you live up north, where I used to live in Ohio, we had static electricity all the time. And you'd touch something and it'd shock you, you know. If you live out west, when I go to the desert on Palm Springs, California, especially when in the cooler months, you touch something and you get shocked, all right? Because it's the dryness and it creates static electricity. Your hair also can have that static electricity. It doesn't want to cooperate. It just wants to stick up, all right? So quick, easy way to combat static electricity. Go into your laundry room. Get you a dryer sheet, like Bounce dryer sheets, preferably unscented. I would keep those around, and then just basically take the Bounce dryer sheet and rub it across all of your hair. And guess what that will do? Take out the static clean. All right, guys? So that was a quick, easy way to do that, huh? All right. All right, guys. Hope you got some value this morning. And if you did, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. And I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant. And this has been Coffee Chat. Have a great hair day, guys.